Hello Kuwait, hello Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. Welcome po ulit sa live update natin ngayon. So ngayon po, titingnan po natin yung activity po ng caregiver course po namin, which is Heimlich maneuver po ngayon. Sige po, let's start.
Okay, you can start na po.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Darlene Casa, and I will be demonstrating the procedure on how to do a Heimlich maneuver on a conscious choking person. First, I need to assess the situation. Are you choking? Are you choking? I know how to help you. May I help you? Help! Somebody call 112! Help! Somebody call 112!
Okay.
Please, I want you to raise your elbow like this. Now, I'm gonna need to do my fist, thumbs in, and above of your navel, with just below your teeth and grasp my other hand, my fist with the other hand. Now, I'm going to start the Heimlich maneuver, the abdominal thrust, 5 consecutive abdominal thrusts.
What is the technique?
Inward, upward.
Okay, very
1, 2, I'm not going to, 3, 4, 5, until the object is expelled. Just in case, continue Heimlich maneuver if the object is not, the obstructing object is not out. And then if it's out, assess the person. Now, can you sit down? Please sit down now. Can you breathe now? Okay, sit down here. We already called the emergency response system. So just
If the
wait
patient
until
is unconscious, what you will do?
we need to start the CPR immediately.
What is CPR?
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation.
What if your patient is baby, what you will do?
We need to do the back slap
How
and the
many?
heel of 5 back slaps on the heel of the hand.
If your patient is obese, what you will do?
We need to do the chest thrust.
Very good. Finish.
Thank you.
Ikaw naman.
Congratulations.